Hi, today's topic is all about regular expressions in Python. What are regular expressions? Regular expressions are nothing but a bunch of characters which we use to match a pattern. They can also be used to validate a given string to see if it follows the correct pattern. This is used extensively to check the legitimacy of emails, passwords, or checking flags in cybersecurity events. This can also be used to search a given string for a specific substring using the specified regex. The format of specifying regular expressions is as follows: a small r followed by single quotation marks within which we will specify the pattern. Something that is immensely useful for regular expressions is a sequence character. A sequence character is used to match single characters. They can be thought of as generalized forms of characters, numbers, digits, etc. They always start with a backslash. Backslash D stands for a digit between 0 and 9. Backslash capital D stands for a non-digit character. Backslash S stands for a white space character. Backslash capital S stands for a non-white space character. And backslash small w stands for alphanumeric characters. In order to use regular expressions in your Python program, you need to import the RE module as follows. Import RE. Now, let's take a look at the search method, which is an inbuilt method used for regular expressions. The search method is used to return the first expression or the first occurrence of a given regular expression within a specified sentence. So as you can see, here we have a sentence called sent, the lion, the witch and the wardrobe. Here I also have a resultant variable called res, and here I'm doing re.search, and you can see in the brackets I have specified the regular expression format as small r followed by single quotation marks, and the pattern that we are going to check is for small t followed by two alphanumeric characters in the sentence sent. So what this will do is it will look for the occurrence of a substring which goes something like small t followed by two alphanumeric characters within the given sentence sent. Now, you have to keep in mind that the search method returns an object of characters. So, in order to be able to see it in the output as a word or as a substring, you have to group the result. So, I'm going to print res.group, and you can see the output as the, because the search method will return the first occurrence of the substring small t followed by two alphanumeric characters in the given sentence sent. The findAll method, which is also another inbuilt method, returns a list of all the substrings of the given regex in the given sentence. So, taking the previous example, which was the lion, the witch and the wardrobe, we are going to do re.findAll regex of small t followed by two alphanumeric characters in the given sentence sent. Now you simply have to print the resultant variable, and you can see that the output is the, because there are two occurrences of the specified regex format in the given sentence. So the findAll method has returned a list of all the substrings of the given regex.